In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up user lifetime in Google Analytics 4. User lifetime is a powerful exploration that helps you understand the long-term value of your users, not just what happens in a single visit. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find it and how to use the built-in view to get insights into engagement, revenue, and retention over the entire relationship with your users. Before we start, make sure you have access to the correct Google Analytics 4 property, and that data has been collecting for a while. Lifetime metrics get better as more users interact with your site or app over time. If you track purchases or ad revenue, those events will feed into lifetime value, so expect richer results when monetization events are implemented. Begin by going to analytics.google.com in your browser, sign in, and confirm you're in the GA4 property you want to analyze. It's easy to be in the wrong account or property, so a quick glance at the property name can save confusion later. From the left-hand navigation, open the Explore section. This workspace is where GA4 keeps advanced, customizable analyses that go beyond the standard reports. Next, open the template gallery. The gallery gives you ready-made starting points, so you don't have to build an exploration from scratch. Choose the user lifetime template. GA4 will spin up an exploration that's pre-configured to highlight long-term user behavior and value. You'll land on a canvas with panels for variables and settings, along with a visualization that updates as you adjust inputs. Here's what you'll typically see and how to interpret it. Dimensions like source, medium, or campaign can be available to help you break down performance by acquisition channel. Metrics focus on things such as lifetime value, total revenue per user, lifetime engagement time, event counts, and key conversions. The date range and filter options shape which users are included, and segments let you compare groups such as users from different channels or devices. Use these elements to answer questions like which campaigns bring users who generate the most value over months, not just days. A few tips as you explore. If you rely on purchase-based lifetime value, ensure e-commerce events are being tracked. Otherwise, that metric may be blank. Thresholding may hide some data for privacy when user counts are small, so broaden your date range or dimensions if you see limited results. Cross-device accuracy improves when user ID is implemented, which can make lifetime metrics more reliable. That's it. Go to analytics.google.com, open Explore, launch the template gallery, and select user lifetime. With this exploration in place, you're ready to evaluate which acquisition efforts bring the most valuable users over time and make smarter long-term decisions.